Out that I am Lightning McQueen. I am my Lightning McQueen. Hold on. Let me go get a comparison. Hold on. So I am Lightning McQueen. Look how fast I can totally run. Watch. Really watch. I can run so fast. Okay, hold on. Let me move the title. So I can run super fast. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. It took me 4 seconds to get to the bathroom. I am Lightning McQueen. I am Lightning McQueen. I'm Lightning McQueen. I'm Lightning McQueen. I am Lightning McQueen. Like, oh my god. I'm a Lightning McQueen. There we go. Look at us side by side. Oh, wait, let me. So that's Lightning McQueen. And this is me. We look like family. I am Lightning McQueen. I'm Lightning McQueen. We're so like, I'm Lightning McQueen. Okay, I'm Lightning McQueen. Lightning McQueen. I am Lightning McQueen. I'm Lightning McQueen. You can't. It even says Queen and they're in the name. And I'm Queen, so I have to be Lightning McQueen. I have to be like McQueen. If you're all against me, I'm gonna get you out of the video. To you who against me, get off my channel. Just die. What I just said, I'm not Lightning McQueen. It was just because it's like these people named Our Third Life. They're actually not that smart. They even said the Earth is flat. It's not flat. They even said America is on a different planet. They're not right. We are on the Earth. We're always on the Earth. Okay, bye. Hold on, wait, sorry.